Hello guys, good morning. So today is our celebration for Teacher's Day and I want to have this present to my co-teachers. This one is for Ma'am Mary Chris. This one for Sir Marcelito and Teacher Phoebe and Ma'am Lilibeth. Her favorite color is pink. That is why I choose this one for her. So let's go. Let us surprise them with this cute present. Happy Teacher's Day, my co-teachers. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Salamat. Another cake.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Salamat. Thank you. Salamat, Sir Lester.
To Teacher Lilibeth.
Oh, sige, mag-video ko pa kan video ko, ma'am.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Lilibeth.
Thanks po. Unang lagi. Sure ka.
Yes, Happy
Thank you
Teacher's
so much, Sir
Day.
Lester.
That is for you. So,
Wow, sana all time.
ayun na naman, malipay ka sa imong hang adlaw ron. Ay, gay, Happy Teacher's Day.
Ba, dito upat ka buhok daghan.
Isang payong.
Ako.
To Teacher Feby. Happy Teacher's Day! Nakoy gift para nimo.
Wow.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Phoebe.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan na naman. Madyo man.
Masaman. Quality honey.
Oh, Happy Teacher's Day
Salamat sa imong
again.
effort.
This one to Sir Marcelit, our school head. Sir, Happy Teacher's Day. Oh, dara. Happy Teacher's Day, our school head.
Thank you.